So our business doesn't actually have a website at the moment, and I know losing a lot of money because of that. What do we actually need to create a business website?
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to say is this. Just because you have a website does not automatically mean you're going to get customers.
So here, just take my money.
But I will also show you how to get customers as well as how to create a business website for your business. First things first, there are three things you need when it comes to making or creating a website, right? You need your domain name, you need your hosting, and then you need your website. Let's use this analogy. So think of a building, think of the Coca-Cola building, or think of, in fact, let me plug my team. Think of Manchester United, Old Trafford, right? Right at the top of the building is a sign that says Manchester United. Then you have the land that the stadium itself is on, right? Then you have the actual stadium with the seats, the rows, the conference rooms, the exec rooms, the director's box, and everything, the pitch. That's your website, right? So domain name at the top, that is the actual sign. The land that it's on, that's your hosting. And then the actual stadium of the building itself, that's the website. You need all three for you to be able to create a website, right? Now, how do you get customers? There are two ways that I would always say that you should go. There are other ways, but these two are the ones which I think are kind of the main ways. Social media and search engine optimization. At the very least, your website needs to be optimized for your brand keywords. And what that means is when people search you on Google, they want to see, when they search your name or they search your business on Google, you come up, right? Then you want to have a separate campaign where people actually find your services. So that's a whole different thing, right? That's very different from doing the brand one. But I think where I would recommend people to actually focus on would be in social media. We're in an era where social is way more, I wouldn't say it's way more effective, but we're in an era where people focus on social a lot more. Like if the personal brand thrives, the business thrives, right? It's not always the case, but it does help. It pushes the business brand. Because people want to know, okay, cool, we see you on social media, we see you on LinkedIn, we see you on whatever, Instagram. We like what you're saying. We think you're an authority because you say a lot of stuff which is knowledgeable. The knowledge that you give us helps us. We know you, we like you, we trust you because of the content you create through social media. Now, through that, people then decide, okay, I'm gonna work and rock with this business because I know, like, and trust them. So social, I think, gets you to that quicker because now we're in an era where your personal brand is an asset to your business. So those are the ways that you would create your website, or those are the things you need to create your website. And that's how I would recommend you go about attracting the right type of customers to your business. You build that tribe through social and then allow them to come to your website or whatever you have to offer and let them convert from being an audience member or prospect to actually becoming a lead to then becoming a customer. And yeah, that's how I would recommend it.